be quiet. The California Combined Rental Disclosure Booklet. It's as easy as one signature. Turn to the table of contents. Table of contents goes over Section 1, environmental hazards. Section 2, protect your family from lead in your home. Section 3 are all the addendas. Section 4 is the acknowledgement page. Section 1, public domain, produced by the state of California, goes over all the information about mold, asbestos, lead, formaldehyde, and the good thing about this is it's only a few pages long. Gives them information about government agencies to contact. Whether they do or not, the information is here. The point is that we're educating the tenants. Protect your family from lead in your home. Federal law must provide your tenant with the EPA approved pamphlet, and here it is, as long as your house is built prior to 1978. Section 3 is addenda. What we do is we have addenda for asbestos. It has certain terms. For example, tenant agrees to immediately notify the landlord in writing if there is cracking, peeling, chipping, flaking, dislodging of paint, water damage. Another example is tenant agrees to not alter, puncture, fix, disturb any part of the property or landscaping. So with that, the tenant therefore agrees to read Section 1, asbestos, and then to indemnify the landlord, hold all the successors and assignees harmless. Then we have lead hazards. We also have another federal requirement, Megan's Law. And here it says, pursuant to Section 290.46 of the Penal Code, there's information about registered sex offenders available via this internet website. Must be in the leases. This incorporates it in the lease if it's not already in yours. Mold. Tenant agrees to ensure that the property is clean and safe. Sanitary. Tenant agrees to vacuum and dust regularly. Proposition 65, also known as the Safe Drinking Water and Enforcement Act of 1986. We put some disclosures in here because in California, some landlords are starting to inform their tenants about possible hazards. And with all this information, based on the foregoing, just like it was done in mold, the tenant agrees to hold harmless the landlord. And last but not least is the acknowledgement page. On the acknowledgement page, you put in the landlord's name, the tenant's names, all of them, and you check the box where it says the following addenda shall be incorporated into the lease agreement. You just go ahead and date the lease agreement. Or if you have some other kind of month-to-month, you check it here. Put the address of the property. All of those are now included. Unless you have your own mold agreement and you don't want to use this one, then you just say we exclude the mold agreement right here. Tenant signs there, landlord signs there. Landlord keeps the original, makes a copy, and then hands the resident the entire book. Just like that, one signature covers it all.